Welcome to my YouTube channel. This good afternoon. We are going to learn more on how to minimize data usage in your PCs or your personal computers or your desktop, wherever you're using. So if you're using Wi-Fi, this tutorial is fit for you. So to minimize on data usage for Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10, there is a simple step that you can take. This option is favorable for all Windows. So if you're using Windows 10 like me, you're going to your Cortana. If you're using Windows 7, you're going to your search bar. If you're using your Windows 8, you're going to your search bar. So I'll go to my Cortana and search the one services. If you're using the Windows 7, you're going to your search bar and search the one services. If you're using your Windows 8, you're going to the search bar and search the one services. This is suitable for all Windows. So when you search, the moment you search the one services, it's going to bring services and component services. They are one and one thing, but you click on services, the desktop app. So the moment you click on services, the desktop app, it is going to bring to this page. So in this page, you are going to do two simple things. You're going to check whether some of the applications are running. If they are running, we are going to stop them. And we are going to set them whether they are going to start themselves automatically or we are the one who are going to start them. So the first thing we're going to check whether it is running is called the background intelligence. So if the background intelligence is running, that means there are some things that will be consuming your data without your knowledge. So the first thing, if this background intelligence is running, the first thing to do is to stop it. So the moment you stop your background intelligence, that is the first step. So after stopping it, it is going to look like this. Mine is already stopped. So it is going to look like this. So after you have stopped your background intelligence, the second thing you're going to do it is whether it should be automatic, whether you're the one who's going to start it or you're going to disable it like mine. I always disable mine. So mine is always disabled. You're going to choose from this icon. So that is the first thing that you're going to choose or you're going to play with. It's called the background intelligence. And the second thing you're going to check whether it is running is called background. It is called Windows Update. So Windows Update. So sometimes Windows Update is meant to update your Windows and don't recommend it being automatic because some windows may be updated sometimes they're not favorable to our PCs. So I always keep my Windows update disabled. So you're going to repeat the same process. If your Windows update is running, the first thing to do is to make sure you have stopped it. So if your Windows update is running, the first thing to do is to stop it because the Windows update consumes a lot of data, especially if you're using hotspot, you're going to consume a lot of data and that Windows, it is not updated. Let's assume you have purchased 1 GB. 1 GB cannot fully update your window. So the first thing you should do is always to make sure that your Windows update is stopped, it's not running. So the second thing after you've stopped it, it is going to look weird like this. The status will be stopped. Then you're going to choose whether you're going to disable it. You're going to choose that it is manual. You're the one who has the power to authorize it to update, or you're going to choose which is preferable for you. So after you have chosen that, that is available for Windows 7 as I have said. In all Windows available, you can do that process. So the second thing is that you're going to do that is available for all Windows The second thing that you're going to do that is available for Windows, you're going to your keyboard and right click on Windows button and then on Add button. It is going to bring you to this thing. So while you're in this icon, type chip and date dot MSC and then press on OK. Computer configuration and administrative tips, computer template, and down here click on Windows Update. Please make sure that nothing is configured. Nothing is configured. So these are the simple steps that you can reduce the data usage on Windows 7, Windows 8, and on Windows 10. But if you're using Windows 10, there is a special way of reducing data usage. On Windows 10, it is very easy. You're going to taskbar, go to the Wi-Fi icon or the wireless network icon, click on it, then click on network settings and then click on the Wi-Fi that you've connected to. Just right, click on it, go to settings. So go to advanced option and always make sure that your connection is always maintained. Your connection is always maintained. But there are two types of Windows 10. There are two types of Windows 10. There is Windows 10 Pro 2015 Corporation, and there is Windows 10 Pro that was released in 2020. It was released on June 2020. The process is different. If you're using Windows that was released on 2020, you're going to the Wi-Fi connection. On here, it has property options. You just click on property option and it is going to direct you to the settings. So if you're using the Windows 10 Pro that was released in 2020, then going here, like here on Gitegemebos, it has properties here. Just click on properties. So the moment you click on properties, it is going to direct you to the page. On that page, click advanced option. It is going to direct you to this page. The moment you click on property, let me come back and show you. So the moment you click on property, let's assume you're using Windows 10 that was released in 2020. So the moment you click here on properties, it will direct you to this page. So while you're in this page, click advanced option and set it as a maintained connection. So on my next part, I'm going you to show I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot when the Wi-Fi connection is not connecting. So stay tuned.